Hi guys, my name is Rudy from Alublack. Today we're going to show you how to remove our canopies from our flatbed. It's a very easy process. You literally remove 4 bolts on the corners, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. You take your canopy jacks, you lift it up at the front, you lift it up at the back. On this side is exactly the same process as there. You literally remove your 4 bolts on the corners and you lift your canopy, starting at the back and then move to the front.